Hey people, so I just have to say this, that I've just finished cleaning the cage and there's actually still the other cage to do, and the mommy rabbit, we'll put her here. But I have to say, the speed at which these little souls are running, oh my god, my child and me are like,
Also look at Tucky.
oh Tucky, those are the parents. They are just cozily spending time together, but this one is in having a battle with the bed sheet.
He's stuck.
No, with the towel. And actually that's what Ayush, can you bring me Tara? We'll let the mother into the cage. The reason I'm doing this recording is because it's remarkable. Ayush, they were born on Monday, so today is a Saturday. So how old are they? 6 days old. My god, and they are making remarkable progress. So just if you can bring the mummy. Yeah, I wanted them to sit in a clean environment. Come, put her. That is the mummy. We put her. Okay, come Chona, your babies are right here. Okay, that's right. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.